The OnePlus 13T has just launched in China, and while it's getting a lot of attention for its design and features, there's a twist that might disappoint many fans. Tell me one thing, did you expect this device to hit markets globally? Well, OnePlus has confirmed that the 13T won't be making its way to key markets like North America, and likely not to Europe either.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That's right. If you're in the US, Canada, or Europe, you're not getting this device anytime soon. The confirmation came directly from OnePlus through a statement to The Verge. Selena Shai, the company's European marketing head, said they currently have no plans to release the OnePlus 13T in Europe. She acknowledged the strong interest from users in that region, but added that it would only be considered for future decisions. This suggests that while the door isn't completely shut, it's definitely not opening anytime soon. I think this might be due to the ongoing tariff problems between US and China. What do you think would be the reason behind this decision? Share your opinion in the comments below. So now the question is, where is the OnePlus 13T actually going? The company seems to be focusing on markets like India, where the phone is being rebranded as the OnePlus 13S. For a moment, that rebranding sparked rumors of a wider release, especially in the US. But OnePlus quickly shut those down. It seems the brand is being very selective and strategic with its product launches this year. In fact, it's not just the 13T Limited. OnePlus has already announced that it won't release a second generation of the OnePlus Open Foldable next year, and there are no plans to launch the OnePlus Watch 3 in India. This cautious approach shows the company is focusing its resources on select markets and products that they believe will perform best. Additionally, can you believe a phone sold over $27 million worth in just 10 minutes? That's exactly what happened with the OnePlus 13T. According to Louis Lee, the device raked in more than 200 million yuan, which is around $27.6 million, within the first 10 minutes of going on sale. And it didn't stop there. In just 2 hours, the OnePlus 13T had already crushed the brand's full-day sales target. This kind of demand shows just how much excitement the 13T has generated in its home market. Makes us wonder, if it's doing this well in China, why OnePlus is keeping it away from global buyers. What's your take on this? Feel free to share in the comments below. Now let's talk about what the OnePlus 13T actually offers. Priced at around 39,000 rupees or $450 in China, the phone packs some serious specs. It features a 6.3-inch AMOLED LTPO display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, up to 2,400 nits of peak brightness, and Dolby Vision support. Under the hood, it runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and comes with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. Plenty of power and space for almost anything you'd need. The camera setup includes a dual system with two 50-megapixel lenses, one for the primary sensor and another for telephoto shots. The phone runs on Android 15-based Color OS and even introduces a new Quick Key Action button, similar to what you see on the iPhone 16. And despite being a compact device, it houses a 6,260 mAh battery that supports 80-watt fast charging. So here's the big question. Should OnePlus consider launching the 13T globally, especially with specs this good? And if you had the chance, would you buy the OnePlus 13T? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.